Keeping your graphics cards updated ensures maximum performance. This is me, Hemant. You are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're going to tell you how to update Nvidia drivers on Windows 11. There are two ways to update Nvidia drivers on Windows 11. The first is by using the device manager, and the second is by using the Nvidia GeForce Experience Utility software. Now, let us start with the first one. To open the device manager, right-click on Start menu and then select Device Manager. After that, double-click on Display Adapters, right-click on Nvidia GeForce GTX and then click on Update Driver. Now you will see two options: Search automatically for drivers or Browse my computer for drivers. Now the first option lets Windows search the internet for the downloads, or if you have the folder installed on your local drive, select the second option. We will select the first option. As you can see here, the best drivers for your device are already installed, but if there are any updates for Nvidia graphics, you will see it here. Now let's head to second method. Let's close it. Head to search and search for GeForce Experience. As you can see here, now click it, let it open. This is the interface of GeForce Utility driver of Nvidia. Head to drivers and then click on check for updates. As you can see, it is checking for updates. Now using these two ways, you can easily update Nvidia drivers on Windows 11. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.